Hello guys, so in previous video I was showing you how I'm plotting the levels, and in this video I'm going to show you how I'm actually putting it together for trade ideas, yeah, the alchemy of trading, so we get nice high probability trades. First, I like to watch the main trading template, you know, what happened previous day. It's important. I see the levels already where we have the VAL, VAH. Then I will zoom out a bit on 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. I want to see if we are ranging or not. We are still ranging. We had we did swing failure pattern of these lows yesterday, but there was also another swing failure pattern. I can turn on the long folder. This is very major one, but we missed it, you know, because it was like a psychological move on the market. Everybody was waiting for it and they missed the move. So, but we returned to the range, yeah. Pretty strong move. We were longing heavily with the group. Over 6%, crazy. But we are still in the range, so we need to be prepared if we rotate the range and do not leave it. So we can go to main trading template. We are at the open. The open is important. It's like bias for traders. Yeah, we are still trying to be there, so we will see who will win. And then we have the anchor VWAP, not anchor, session VWAP. We are under it, but slightly. So yeah, pretty muted right now, just sideways. I think there is some big order. Yeah. This is like 360 Bitcoin, so it's a bit, you know, putting steam, closing the steam on the market a bit. So yeah, okay, so let's go. So we can start with a smaller time frame trade, why not? So we have daily, we have this market structure daily. I really like this one, and it needs to be on my chart. It's very important. When we close the day below that, can cause trouble. Daily, we have no weekly there. Monthly this is market structure monthly. This doesn't need to be marked. It needs to be watched only for, you know, for closes. Session naked POC. So we have the session naked POC here. Time to copy. It's strong one. I marked it a strong one because you can see here why. New York did very good volume, 1.71 billion, 1.7 billion, and it's like high volume node also. It's not just, you know, it's not just this, but it's like regional also. So we have naked liquidity there. It's also good to just, we can do it like this. Actually do not need that at the moment. So session naked point of control. We can do Fibonacci pull here. We can keep 0.5 as well in case we get more levels. You will be marking swing failure patterns, so local. Also local. Very good. Yes, I need to watch hyblock for liquidity. Let's run it. I think I already marked in previous video the liquidity, so I'll be just copying it. But I want to see the smaller nodes as well, because you can have scalps here. So liquidity is down there. Yes, let's copy. Need to do it less subtle. So liquidity is under the golden zone. Okay, let's have a look more. Pretty scattered liquidity. Under this low. Okay, we can keep it as a swing for a pattern. The down there is the most important one. This one is also very tasty. Yeah, market wants to definitely go grab some more liquidity. Okay, great. Okay, let's go further. Yeah, weekly open also we are losing it. Okay, we need previous week val also. So we can put higher. Yeah. Short-term market structure support, very good to mark. Good, this is done. Long-term is there. This is our full range val, we need it. This is TPO, yeah. TPO. Again, TPO, and now we need to volume 1 as well. Yes, let's copy. No TPO. Very good. I think that we have no single prints to the downside. Let's have a look. Yes, no single prints to the downside. We can copy this high volume note, why not? In case we change market structure, it can become support. You can see price was fighting there. Anchored VWAPs, yes, I will copy 2 of those. We need full range anchored VWAP, full range anchored VWAP. And then we need the uptrend, the current small uptrend we have, like, if we can call it like that. Support ones, okay. val of 2020. Yeah, we should really prepare this one as well. This can show us if we do swing failure pattern of this. Yes, range swing failure pattern. And if I turn on this one I need to copy as well. Yeah, 39,500. This one is also very useful. What was that channel? Okay. Okay, so we have most of the levels I wanted from the chart. I need to check over here. So previous day of val 40,732. Yes. Yeah, that's it. That's all we needed. The open. Very close to the open, so that's fine. Debug, okay. You also need to go to main trading template, have a look on how is the general market doing. So shorts not so much coming, but I think we are getting absorptions. Yes, you have bearish CVD, so be very careful. You will be very careful, you know, when you see bearish CVD. Look here, this is already very close to this high, and there are a lot of absorptions going on here. So you are careful, and you will be waiting for this naked block to be hit. I think this is really good, you know. This is good area for potential bounce. The only downside of this trade, for example, for me would be we have a lot of liquidity in this area because people were heavily longing. So I think if you get nice bounce from session naked block, you will be watching order flow, of course, how we are reacting there, and then you can have nice stop loss behind the previous day val. And I think market, this is strong box, so market should give you, you should earn money for stop loss. It's also previous week val here. Yeah, a lot of levels here. I think it's a decent area. But the main liquidity under, so yeah, that is gonna make me cautious. If you start losing this previous week val, and you will be below previous day val also, you start slowing, you will be really careful because you can have very fast move. A lot of people longing here from previous day, and then we will, you know, the lows of the range will be in danger, and it can cascade. We can do swing failure pattern of this low, but we have major swing failure pattern from previous, like, I don't even know, few months back. We have this one, so this can really go here. So here I see very nice potential for the bounce. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. And if we lose this, if we run through this liquidity and we do not hold last fips, the swing failure pattern will be into play. And if we turn on more long-term levels, you see where we stopped actually. This is high volume node. It was yesterday, so high volume node stopped us. That's how they are important, you know, to mark. We still have below us daily naked point of control. We will make a copy for this trade. We have the value area low of 2021, and we have the 9-week value area high of previous summer range. So in case we do swing failure pattern of this low, we can have nice support from these areas and bounce up even better. So this is the two potential day trades I see. Also, I'm already long from this area on other accounts, on swing and day trader. So I'm not in a position to be pushed, it's like take trades here in the middle of the range where is POC. It's much better to wait for your entry over here. Much better reward ratio, and stop loss can be, you know, nice. So these are two potential scalp and day trade ideas. This one I will turn off. We can copy this one here. Yes, very good. So we can do first folder, which will be called daily long 1 boost 2. So it contains two trades, two potential trades. Very good. That's perfect, that's ready for us. That would be ideal retest, because we have market structure support here already from short term 1 to 3 times. You know, can be support again, and also it can create head and shoulders. I do not like the patterns, but some people do, so it can help our cause a bit. You know, this can be left arm, right arm, boom up into golden zone. I think a lot of people waiting for this golden zone now. So reaction there will be expected. And now you need to do scenario if you break out of this range. We need to be ready. So let's start. Okay, we'll be copying a lot of levels. Need to always watch why is level there and how important it is. Yes, so this market structure daily is very important, and daily close above it will be important. It can signal, you know, acceptance into this range. So very important market structure daily, but I will not mark it inside, you know, trading. Naked daily here, time to mark it. Yes. These channels needs to go here. I will look on them as well. They could be important. Yeah, this was our previous channel and we got acceptance. Even after channel was broken so many times, it got respect. The channels do that, you know. This is like a deviation. Very nice channel. You need to see the break of the channel. Very nice channel. And how about this one? Oh yeah, this will signal us more strength when we actually return to this channel and, you know, form this bottom line as a support, so also can stay here. Time to save and refresh. It's like slowing down. So what is the stock market doing? Because stock market is affecting Bitcoin. It's neutral, so not so much correlation today. Naked daily waiting here. I'm just looking right now when we get the bounce from this range into this area. So what we have in this full area, need to prepare. Daily is down. Market structure weekly. How was market trading it? This is gonna be more about closing. Monthly. About this one. Yeah, important monthly. We have naked monthly, but it was traded already. I will not mark this one. We'll just keep it on this chart. Yeah, it's time to mark naked point of controls. Let's go. Good. That's enough for now. We'll just want to watch this region. Look at these three strong levels together. Wow. What's this? Oh yeah. Wow, crazy. This is the army of levels. I can tell you right now, there is pretty high chance we get a scalp and at least scalp from this area. Depends what's gonna happen here, yeah. This is your previous week VAC, so if you climb previous week VAC, you know, potential to upside is higher, but you have also previous month value area low, so they are usually defended, you know. People will take profit here at VAC, and also this is also resistance, yeah, previous month val, usually on first touch. Then we have the daily naked point of control with session above and monthly open. This area looking already very strong, yeah. Shorter market structure. We can do this one, strong region. Yes, it's within. So we have market structure on our side. Long term. This one is not relevant. And we need all those levels. Yes, swing follow patterns needs to be marked. Yes, when you have a lot, highs like this so close to each other, there is a good chance you can actually run through all of them. You have examples, it happened like before, after, it happened many times. You have lows like this. Market can run them because you have a lot of liquidity there. Yeah, it happened also on small time frames, but it's just looking. Single parent area. Yes, so this is the inefficiency area. Market loves to fill them. They can be resistant on the first touch, yeah, if you have level there. But if you start filling them, there is high chance we will fill all of them. And if you fill them, you have higher chance you get reaction from levels above and below. This is I do not need to mark. You see, it's also low volume node. So when we break this high, we can really move very fast into our 40, into this volume area. Where is this volume area coming from? It was big support before. Oh yeah, that's collecting a lot of volume. Oh yeah. Time to do some flips, so we can do this. Oh yeah. I will not be watching fibs inside because I want to trade higher. I will keep only 0.5 on this pool. In case there will be session, I could poke bounce the volume one. It's tricky when you have them in single prints. It's pretty strong pool. I will keep it, let's see. No, we definitely need this anchor up here. The current downtrend as well. These are the big ones from much longer time frames. It doesn't have to be on that chart. I'm watching it usually on this chart. But the more short-term one I want to watch. They are going aggressively down. If they come here in the session like a poke, there can be a nice scalp. You know, it's collecting volume from this range, so it's not bad. So yeah, I think we have very massive liquidity node here. We checked it before. So when market moves, it can go very fast from here into such a naked point of control. I also told you this, you know, we will be, it's low volume now, then there is a chance we will just build volume. And we are doing that, we are building volume in it. Yes, I think this needs to be watched together. It's not areas, like I wanted to separate into folders, but I think we all need to watch. Yeah, this area we can separate. Those two anchor VWAPs. Those FIPS can be also, yeah, we can separate some things. So it's gonna be not so overcrowded on the chart. This I think it's like scalp short one. Very good. Liquidity value. Rectangle can go in. Anchor VWAPs. Those two. Nice. Okay, and I will be copying single prints. Okay. Anything else? I think that's it from this. Save it, refresh. Yes, so another setup is complete. Let's go here. This is looking like great area for when we fill the fingerprints. You know, we can get very good reaction from it, at least for scalp, which can become day trade. So one more thing, we need this higher pool of hips. This one. 0.5 inside, yes. So always know your risks with your trades as well. So you want to see really good reaction here and not acceptance, yeah, and slowly down. You want to see very fast wick and then move down. That would be ideal scenario. If we start claiming all these val areas, like monthly value area low, monthly open, it will be sign of strength, yeah. So if you see acceptance into this range, you will be very careful to short, very careful. You must reject on first touch very aggressively. That's what you want to see. Because when you get acceptance, then will be very high chance we go to this volume node here, and then you see the series of the highs here. So the risks will be much higher. We can sweep all these highs here. A lot of liquidity above them, you know. Market loves when you have when you have highs like this together. Market really loves it, you know. And then you finally, if you sweep them, then you can, you know, do final swing failure pattern here, and then you can short. And if don't, we will have much better levels here at 48,000 to 49,000. So let's do another folder for all this area, so it's not so messy. This one I will probably put already because this is higher region, to short 3. Where is he? Where are you? Daily short 3. What else is there? Yes, and this FIPS. Well, the rest of the things can go to another folder. Let's start. Daily short 2. we have, so orange needs to go there. Anchor VWAP. Yes, and FIPS. But FIPS we will do like this. We can turn off this one so it's not interfering. Oops. Yep, so we can go inside. This can go inside as well. Oh yeah, it's so this can go. Okay. Now we'll keep it. That's done. And now we need these areas here because we have some things between 48,000 and 49,000. Let's go. FIPS. Pretty strong pull. Like this. Okay, where did we stop the... What is 7990? It needs to go there. Short 2. Actually, we can keep him in both setups. Why not? So they short, we can hide. Okay, let's go. Yes, I love this area. A lot of naked liquidity. from the levels, we have previous my point of control, and yep. Yes, that's it. Long term is above us. TPO. We need to monitor this as well. Very good. Want to copy these fibs as well, but I will be serving only as top levels. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, look what we got here. So we have the overall, when we started to go downtrending, this VWAP needs to come for our help. And now we need, this one is from where? This is from overall uptrend start, yes. Also important one. Closes. You can do pivots as well. Those two needs to be into first short area. forgot the letter. Okay, so these two can go to short 2. This one is short 3. Yep. Alright, very good. We can watch pitchforks, how they can help our trades. This pitchfork can be used. Market slowly wants to go into our area. You see, we are breaking initial balance low, which can lead to directional move from this small range into this bigger range of previous day. And this pitchfork here, where is our short 2? This pitchfork here can be additional confluence for this short area. You see, top of the pitchfork here. So you can do it like this. If you need it only for this short, up here you will hide most of the lines. Slowing down again. Okay, so it's now ready there. Oops. Very good, and now we can use other pitchfork, I think. I mean, this same pitchfork, but for other setup as well. Oh no. golden zone can be very useful, and 0.5. It's looking strange, right? I will probably just turn it on later when we go there. It's looking strange. How is our daily long area? Not this one. This one can be deleted. Just don't want to do mistake. Yes. Okay, so we can do summary. I made for you how much? 1, 2, 3 shorts. I made for you 3 short areas and 1 long areas. 3 of them are like more like day trades. No, 2 of them are more scalps and 2 of them are like day trades and potential swings. We can do summary how to approach it and each of it, and you know, it should make your life easier. So again, in this setup you will be looking for this session naked point of control, mainly important one. By the way, we are starting to bounce from anchor VWAP. So session naked point of control with very good volume, and you have the golden zone below. Yeah, so pretty good region. If order flow is looking decent, you can go long. And also market structure daily below, previous day value area low below. Yeah, pretty packed region with the local swing failure pattern here. Ideal scenario would be like really big push and making very long wick and then bounce up. That would be the perfect scenario to even take local swing failure pattern. The only risk in this trade is if you start losing previous wick val, you see here, then you can you know, you can expect to feel this liquidity because we have massive liquidity over here. So that's the long one. And of course, we have more levels down. If we lose this, if we do not bounce from this region, we take out liquidity and then continue downside. We have potential for nice swing failure pattern of this range swing failure pattern, of the major swing failure pattern from the summer. Then we have daily naked point of control below. We have value area low of 2021 and 9-week VWAP from summer range. So very good region. And of course, if you do not bounce, you need to turn on, you know, more levels to the downside. Still need to add some levels, but 35k is gonna be big one with 37 also. Potential swing failure pattern. This is also big volume support. You can see how we bounced. The blue lines are used for volume. So this is what is waiting us down there. And up there we can have a look. Let's do order. The short, this is just scalp in my eyes. We have big liquidity here. All these people shorting here, they will got liquidated and stopped out in this. We have session naked point of control here. The anchor VWAPs, more immediate ones, are coming, downtrend anchor VWAPs from this range and from this top are coming into it. So very nice, they will kiss together soon. And golden zone above. The only doubts, also the risk of this is, not risk, but I can show you. We'll copy the single prints into this setup as well. It's important. Yes, you have single prints here, so you really want them as, you know, as resistance. If you start filling them, then your setup can be validated very easy. So I can leave them here. Yes. And now we have more high probability trade here. Look at the packed area. Crazy, crazy. I do not need to tell you so many levels here. As I said before, when we fill the single prints, we are starting to have previous week value area high, where many people take profits, you know, at VAX. And then we have the previous month value area low, which is usually resistance on first touch. Daily naked point of control above with monthly open. There'll be battle here, I'm sure. Session naked pog above, like this region, very good for short. Like very good for initial short if you see nice strong reaction and order flow is confirming you. If you do not see reaction and you see acceptance into this range, yeah, it will be confirmed, like, you know, it's all about the levels. So you either see nice or like this, yeah, or you will see acceptance. So you will push up through the single prints, very heavy. You go over here, you make previous week VAC support, then you go to monthly open, maybe small rejection, and you are still continuing doing uptrend, and then this is acceptance for you, and you will be very careful to short, because this can trigger even more upside, and this can mean we can rotate this range fully into the point of control first, and then we have the you know, full range VAC. So yes, we have also some regions here, naked daily, so there are plenty of potential scalps, but also be aware when you have highs like this, they can be taken out easily because they are so close together, a lot of liquidity above them, so it's best to just run all of them at once and then do, you know, major swing value pattern. So in that case, you will be ready up there. You can see where. Lot of naked point of controls, a lot of them. So 48,000 area from 49,600, I would say, is massive area for you. This is the area where I'll be looking for not just the day trades, but I would like to keep, you know, I would like to keep swings from this area as well, some hedges, you know, and so on. So very good naked liquidity area, perfect. So when you prepare setup like this, you can watch also supporting tools, you know, you will go over, you know, high blocks and so on. You will be watching if you have big walls. Like this is the market context, like when we were doing swing value pattern yesterday. Oh, where I am. FTX here. We are doing big swing value pattern, but we had many big orders here waiting. So you see the retail was shorting head and shoulders, but they spilled into big walls, and then we finally bounced a lot. So yeah, pretty crazy. So that's, you need to watch order books as well. And we had TRDR support as well. Very nice TRDR support. It was over, I think, at the lows 400 million, so very good ratio to, you know, longs to shorts on the order books, high probability trade. So that's how you assess, you know, bigger market structures. Also, I would like to add So yeah, you watch many things, you evaluate things, and you hit, you know, the big market structure support on big time frame. So either we bounce here and we bounce heavily, or we just go through and into this summer range. So this was very, you know, this was support many times and resistance. So it was expected reaction. We were expecting it in a group. Yeah, so I think that's it for me. I showed you how I'm preparing the trades. I will be continuing same trades to the upside and same trades to the downside. Still a lot of plotting to do. You just, you know, you gather levels and you think about general market context, what is happening, acceptances to the ranges and rejections and so on. So thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you in the group. Bye.